is our traditional clothes.
Traditional dress.
Yeah, traditional dress. This is coffee arabica. Ethiopia is the origin of coffee. The name is comes from it, the place which is Kaffa in the 9th century. This is also the Lalibela, which is built by one stone. Many buildings are starts from the foundation, but it comes from the top, then we come down. Around here we have 11 churches. This is the entrance part.
11 church total.
Yeah, this is the entrance. Ethiopia. It's 15 kilometers high inside. It is the largest cave in Africa. This is our calendar. We have 13 members in a year. We have one extra member. The 10 members have 13 days each, but the out, but our New Year celebration is September, not in January. We have now in 2014, not in 2022. So we are 8 years younger. See the world's most ancient fossil skeletons of human ancestor. She is 3.2 million years old. She is very young and she is short. She is 12 up to 18 years. And she's 1 meter with 10 centimeters tall. And she is originated from Ethiopia. She's discovered in 1974 in the northeastern parts of Ethiopia, Hadar. Her name is in Ethiopia is Dinkanesh, which means marvelous. Ethiopia is the first country which accepts both Christianity and Islam. So this is the Quran, which is written by hand before 800 years. This is called Book of Enoch. This is part of Bible. This is handwritten. This is the graduation certificate. This is also the teaching board.